What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to make your Windows 11 PC run faster by applying some settings and making changes to your operating system. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, we will make a few changes to your Windows settings. Open up your Settings application and in the System section, click on Notifications. Here, you should prevent some applications from sending you notifications, especially from third-party senders, which can cause random lag depending on which app is allowed to send you notifications. Back in your System settings, click on Power and Battery. Set your power mode to best performance and disable the battery saver option below. Laptop users might want to keep this option enabled, but it can slow down your PC depending on which applications are running on your system. Next, navigate to the Apps section of your settings and select Startup. Here, you can prevent applications from starting on system boot, which will increase your overall Windows 11 performance and speed up your PC. I would only keep the applications enabled which I use on a daily basis. In the Gaming section of your settings, click on Game Mode. While planning on playing games or when your PC slows down while in-game, you should enable the Windows Game Mode option. When this is done, navigate back to your System settings and click on Storage. It might take a second to load your storage information, and then click on Temporary Files. You should remove your temporary files every now and then. These include files saved by your applications which should be deleted, Windows Update files, the content of your recycle bin, and so on. Delete these files to reduce clutter on your hard drive, which allows Windows to boot and run faster in the future. The last step in your Windows settings is to make sure that you're running the latest Windows Update. In the Windows Update section, click on Check for Updates. Your PC might start downloading the latest update, and you'll be required to restart your system once the update is downloaded. When this is done, we will make sure that your device drivers are up to date. Open up your Device Manager. Most drivers will update automatically with Windows updates, but some require to be updated manually. Expand your disk drives, display adapters, monitors, network adapters, and other hardware you are using with your PC. For each, right-click the device and select Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers and wait a moment for Windows to make sure that your drivers are up to date. When using an AMD or NVIDIA graphics card, then I suggest using the dedicated application. AMD users can use the AMD Radeon software and use the GeForce Experience application for NVIDIA GPU users. In the Driver section, proceed to download the latest driver. The application will then automatically install the driver for you. These apps also allow you to further change some settings to reduce lag while playing games on your Windows PC. In your GeForce Experience settings, navigate to the General section and disable the in-game overlay, which can cause performance issues while in-game. Below, make sure to enable the image scaling option if you can. This will speed up and boost your FPS for any game you intend on playing. I use a render resolution of 77% and sharpen to 19%. You may have to tweak these two settings a bit to get the most out of this feature. Lastly, open up your Task Manager. In the Performance section, and programs are running which you know won't break your operating system. Especially resource-intensive applications such as Discord, Steam, or Chrome can speed up your PC when preventing them all from running at the same time. All of these steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.